Hi, this is Janika from FullView, and this is a short demonstration to set up your tax rates.
Tax is one of the settings that's available in your CRM settings tab, where you would set up your currency, locations, and different types of taxes. You open your tax option, you will have two buttons on the top. One is to add a specific rate, and the other is to set up what type of tax applications it would be. Let's add a rate for South Africa that we can call VAT. We'll say it is 15%, and we need to activate this rate, else we won't be able to use it in our system. Now the rate is added to our list of VAT rates, and when we save, we will see it displayed. You have the option to add more than one VAT rate if you are in a business where, for instance, you've got 0 rated VAT items. I can load a rate as 0 and save that as well. You can see we've got 2 rates now that we can use in our system. On the settings tab, you've got the option to pick whether you want to use location dependent or item dependent tax. When you use the location dependent tax, you need to make sure that on the CRM settings screen we had now, you need to load all the different locations that you are doing business with. Else you won't be able to select a location in using your invoices and quotes, and you won't be able to save your quote. So my advice or my preference would be to use an item dependent tax. Let's look at an example where we can allocate this tax to a specific product or line item in a deal, or lead, or quote, or invoice. We go to our product screen and we look at these products that's already been loaded. We can select whichever tax field we want to use. If this is a 0 rated tax item, we can select 0, and for the rest it stays on 15. When I save my deal, it will give me a total of my tax amount, and this bread item doesn't have any tax added to it. That's it. Short and simple setup of your Bitrix CRM tax.